Hi everyone, this is Becky, Black Art Beauty 14. Now in today's video, I have created this look using the Imogennation eyeshadow palette and the Imogennation Highlight to the Moon palette. Hope I'm saying your name right. Imogennation? Imogenation? Hope I said that right. Can we just admire the packaging as well? I mean, look how pretty it is. So stunning. I mean, I don't really create warm eye looks. Not that there's anything wrong with warm looks. Warm looks are so pretty. I've seen so many variations of it on Instagram and they're so nice. But I just thought there's been so many being done. I was kind of like, I want to do something different. I've jumped on that train now and I've created a warm eye look. And I must say, I love how it came out. I really have enjoyed it. So, if you guys are going to enjoy this video as well, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here, where I tend to post my content here and there. So let us get started with the Imogennation palettes. I've already done my base, I've done my eyebrows and my foundation and everything off camera. If you guys want to know what I've used, I've written it down in the description bar below, so check it out there of what I used. So yeah, so I'm going to first go in with my eyes. I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow palette first. So just going to take it out of the box. And then inside, so it comes in plastic packaging. So this is, I love the packaging. I just love the pink and the, it's like a, yeah, it's like I've got a pink and a purple reflex in it. It's really pretty. So take the little plastic thing off. So these are all the colours right here. So you've got some really nice warm colours, and you've got a few cool colours in here, and that really amazing pop of blue there as well. Ooh, so pretty. I have no idea what look I want to do today with this palette. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. I was going to do like a halo eye, but then I thought to myself, I haven't really done like a cranberry sort of smoky eye before. Have I? I don't know. Not too sure. But we'll do it anyway. So I am going to just take a nice brush. So I'm going to go in with my trusty Essence brush. I'm going to use the shade Living Life, which is that really nice light brown colour, very light pale brown colour. Just going to apply this in the crease area as a transition colour. Nice transition colour. So I'm going to go in with that, I'm going to go in with that bright orangey colour called, Just going to go with that. Going to use this dual-ended brush. I have no idea what brand it's by, but it's a really nice brush. It's really dense. I like it. So, just going to grab that colour. I'm going to pop that in the crease as well. Just going to pop that in there. Whoa! Pigmentation. Pigmentation. Yes. So nice. I'm going to go back in with that other brush and use Living Life to blend that out. That's amazing. Yeah. Right, I'm going to go in with Raise and Phrase now. It's that shimmery, cranberry, darker colour. I could go in with Berry Blast to make it dark if I wanted to, but I quite like that the way it looks, so I might just do that. So I'm going to use that same brush. It's very dense, still quite dense, so I'm going to use that. And just going to start adding that to my outer edge. That outer corner was so nice. Do you know what? I'm actually going to do it. I'm actually going to grab that Berry Blast colour, because I think I just want to sort of add it here, just connecting it to this cranberry colour. Right, just going to go in with a Revolution E102 brush. Don't know if they make this anymore, I'm not too sure. I've got so many discontinued brushes, I'm sorry. I have so many just ancient brushes. I just thought if they're still good, I'm going to use them. So, just going to pack that colour on. I'm just going to pack that literally just about here. Go back in with those colours. Just gonna blend everything together. Ooh, I like how these are blending out. So nice. So I'm gonna go in with, ooh, I was gonna go in for Forever Friend, which is that pink shimmery shade, but you know what? I'm gonna go with that pop of colour. I'm gonna go in with the shade Butterfly, which is that beautiful blue colour. I'm gonna go on the other end of that brush, brush that I use, blending brush. Just gonna pack that on. That's stunning. Right, just going with Rise and Phrase, just taking that brush, the other side, and just blending Butterfly and that together. Cute, cute. So right, I'm going to go in with another brush for the lower lash line. Just going to use this Revolution, I think it's the Metals brush, Golden Metals brush. I think so. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So I'm going to go in with that Forever Friend, that beautiful pink and shimmery colour. And I'm just going to run this under the lower lash line, connecting it to Butterfly, and running it underneath. So pretty. So now I'm going to go back in with that Berry Glass colour. Just taking that same angle brush. Just gonna run that underneath and connect it up. Oh, with your nose. Oh, nice. Right. I'm now just going to clean my fluffy brush. I'm going to go back in with that colour. Just going to, how pigmented this was. Just going to blend those colours and that together. Right, just going to add some eyeliner. So I'm just taking this one right here. So this one is the Rimmel Engaged Waterproof Eye Define, and it's in the shade 263 Starlit Black. So I'm just going to use that to tight line my waterline and upper lash line. Sweep that powder away first before I smudge it in. Just going to sweep that powder away. I don't know what's with me in grey at the moment. I just seem to be obsessed with grey. Well, I'm just going to chuck on some mascara, and I'm going to use a bit of the Barium Lash Saver. It's volumizing and a growth lash primer thingy. I'm just going to chuck this on with the Makeup Revolution mascara. Just going to chuck these two on. Okay, I've just done my mascara. My lashes are looking crazy right now. So, going to be moving on to the face. Can't wait to try this palette. So, I'm just going to take it out of the box. This is it. This is what it looks like. It's got the same sort of design as on the eye. It's got the same design as the eyeshadow palette. So you've got a really, really nice palette here. So here you've got like 3 bronzer shades. I mean, for me, one's like a contour, and then I've got like 2 bronzer shades. And then you've got 3 amazing highlighters. And then you've got these 3 nice powders, really nice for all skin tones, which is really nice to set their under eyes. But yeah, this palette is really pretty. It's got variation for every single skin tone, so there's pretty much something there for everybody. Right, I'm going to start with the face now. So I'm going to take an angled brush. Actually, I'm going to take this one, which is a little bit more dense, a little bit more smaller. So I'm going to take this one, a bit more dense. I'm going to take that tiny little bit of Can't Deal. That tiny little one, because it's like a contour shade for me. So yeah, just going to take on that brush. Just going to go in with 1 pat, or maybe 2. And I'm just going to pop it there slightly. Yeah, that's a contour shade. That is really, really dark. Nice. Just going to add a bit of that to my nose. I'm going to go in with, which one do I go in? I'm just going to give a quick swatch-a-rooney. Ooh, that literally one is actually really pale. When you swatch it, I don't know if you can see in the back of my hand, but that's the shade Literally, and that one's the shade Warrior. Look how lighter it is. Like, it looks so much darker in the pan, but as I'm swatching it, it's really nice. I'm going to go with the shade Warrior, which is that medium shade. Just going to go in, use this brush, and obviously blend out my contour. Just going to back and blend that out, really. Just going to add that to the forehead as well. Just going to add that on there. Right. Just going to go back in with that Beauty UK powder. Just see if I can tone it down a bit, because I look very snatched right now. I look very, very snatched. Right, I'm going to go with that bit of that My Gal powder, that yellow powder, and I'm just going to add that under my eyes, because why not? Just to see if it will brighten anything under the eyes. Ooh, it does. Ooh. 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 Ooh, I think I got a bit carried away with my contour shade there. Whoops. I'm going for very drag vibes today, but never mind. There's nothing wrong with a bit of drag. There's nothing wrong with a bit of drag. No. So I'm going to go in with that Cannot shade, which is that orange shade. And I'm going to use it as a blush, because why not? Take that same brush and just going to put that on my cheeks for a natural blush. I'm going to go in with the highlighter. Ooh, what shade do I use? Do I go for the ice or do I go for the gold? I could pretty much get away with both, to be fair. Let's mix them. Yeah, let's mix them. So I'm going to mix Angel Face with Limited Edition. Going to mix them both together. We're just going to apply that. Ooh, that's cute. I like that. That's cute. Mix them both together. So it makes like a light golden sort of colour. Like a light golden colour. Both. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, nice. They're very buildable. So at first, when you apply them, they go quite subtle. But the more you add, the more you can build it up. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I'm going to clean that brush I had butterfly on. I'm going to take a bit of that Angel Face. I'm going to apply that just in the inner corner. Cool. Just going to apply that in the inner corner. And I'm going to apply that under the brow bone as well. That's so nice. I love that highlighter. So pretty. Right, I'm now going to set my face in place. I'm just going to grab some setting spray. This is the B setting spray. Just going to set my face with that. Such a fine mist. And that is it, guys. This is the completed look. So I've just finished off my lips with the NYX Liquid Suede in Stone Fox. So I've just finished it off with this. No surprise. It's a unique, different colour, vampy colour. You know me. So, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here, where I tend to post my YouTube content here and there. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!